Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated adventure bikes in India, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 250. Hero MotoCorp is set to take its off-road legacy to the next level with a more powerful, feature-packed version of the beloved Xpulse. Let's explore what makes this bike a game-changer for adventure enthusiasts. Rugged design and adventure-ready build. The 2025 Xpulse 250 stays true to its adventure DNA with a tough, high ground clearance design. It now features a stronger frame, a more muscular fuel tank, and a taller windscreen for better highway protection. The LED headlamp has been upgraded for improved night visibility, while new color schemes and rally-inspired graphics enhance its bold appeal. Powerful 250 cubic centimeters engine at the heart of the Xpulse 250 is a 249 cubic centimeters oil-cooled single-cylinder engine expected to deliver around 24 to 26 PS of power and 22 Nm of torque. With Hero's focus on performance and efficiency, this engine will offer strong low-end torque, making it ideal for off-road trails and city rides alike. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth power delivery, while a slipper clutch may be introduced for better control. Improved suspension and handling to tackle rough terrains. The new Xpulse 250 is expected to feature long-travel telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear suspension, tuned for better damping. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoke wheels wrapped in knobby tires make it a true off-road machine. Hero may also introduce an adjustable suspension setup, making it more versatile for different riding conditions. Tech and features upgrade. The 2025 Xpulse 250 gets a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, offering turn-by-turn navigation, ride analytics, and smartphone alerts. A USB charging port and multiple riding modes, road, off-road, could also be part of the package. Hero is expected to improve the ABS system with a switchable dual-channel setup for enhanced braking confidence on all terrains. Expected price and launch. With all these upgrades, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 250 is expected to be priced around 1.80 Indian rupees lakh to 2.10 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. The launch is anticipated in mid-2025, making it a direct competitor to the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, KTM 250 Adventure, and Suzuki V-Strom SX. Would you take the new Xpulse 250 on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more motorcycle news and reviews. Stay tuned for more.